Hi, I'm Elliot Labour, Quarry Manager here at Newcastle Sand, Williamtown, New South Wales, Australia. Here at Newcastle Sand, we're currently extracting a dune sand, which supply the construction materials market. We have three different types of main products we sell here, which is a wash sand, a white sand, and a concrete spec sand. Since purchasing the McLanahan fine material screw washer and UltraDRY dewatering screen, we have had a production increase on average per hour.
It's streamlined our process as far as resources required to run the plant, in terms of giving us confidence to get new customers and sell a higher grade of product. That's probably been one of the biggest things.
I like the McLanahan fine material screw washer and dewatering screen because of the ease of use. Everything's at a touch of a button, fully automated system, produces high quality sand, and we're able to sell that end product straight off the belt. The McLanahan dewatering screen allows us to keep our stockpiles clean and tidy. We have less water runoff and we're able to harvest that water and reuse it in the wash plant. McLanahan and Lincoln have both been here with us every step of the way.
When we assessed all of the other options, I'm fairly confident in saying that we would not have got the support from any other brand like we have with McLanahan. They've been right there beside us the whole way through this, and that's ensured that we've got a great outcome and a great bit of plant that we're going to use for the rest of our resource.